Is Rubberwood furniture a durable and long-lasting option?
Hey there, furniture enthusiasts! Today, we'll be diving into the topic of Rubberwood furniture and exploring whether it's a durable and long-lasting option for your home. So, let's get started.
What is Rubberwood?
Before we assess its durability, let's understand what Rubberwood actually is. Rubberwood, also known as parawood or Hevea brasiliensis, is derived from the rubber tree. Initially cultivated for latex production, Rubberwood has gained popularity in the furniture industry due to its unique characteristics and sustainable sourcing.
The natural properties of Rubberwood.
Rubberwood possesses some notable properties that contribute to its overall durability. One key feature is its density, which is higher than that of many other commonly used woods. This density helps to make Rubberwood sturdy and resistant to wear and tear. Additionally, Rubberwood has a tight grain structure, which enhances its strength and durability.
The manufacturing process and durability.
The manufacturing process also plays a crucial role in determining the durability of Rubberwood furniture. To enhance its strength, Rubberwood is typically kiln-dried, which reduces its moisture content and minimizes the risk of warping or cracking over time. Moreover, the application of protective finishes, such as lacquers or varnishes, further increases its resistance to damage and improves its longevity.
Care and maintenance.
Proper care and maintenance are essential for any type of furniture to ensure its longevity, and Rubberwood furniture is no exception. Regular dusting and cleaning with a mild solution and a soft cloth can help maintain its appearance and prevent the buildup of dirt or grime. Avoid exposing Rubberwood furniture to excessive moisture or direct sunlight, as these factors can negatively impact its durability over time. In conclusion, Rubberwood furniture can indeed be a durable and long-lasting option for your home. Its inherent properties, such as density and tight grain structure, contribute to its strength and resilience. When combined with proper care and maintenance, Rubberwood furniture has the potential to serve you well for many years to come. So, if you're looking for a sustainable and sturdy choice, consider Rubberwood furniture for your next home decor investment. Thanks for watching, and we hope this information has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more exciting furniture discussions, and remember to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Take care, and see you next time.